Hey, what's going on? My name is Stephanie, and I just wanted to send you this really quick video showing you a few things you can do to start ranking on Google. I'm going to keep this very brief as I don't want to waste your time or mine. The three things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So when we look at the home page of your website, we see that you don't have a whole lot of content, maybe about 400 to 500 words on your home page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. When we're looking at your competition, we see that South Shore has quite a bit of content on their homepage. And checking out JCB, they don't have very much content on their homepage. So that is very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we're searching for roofing companies, Savannah, Georgia, the first thing we're going to see is the paid ads. The next is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. And citations come to play with the map pack. That's how you're going to rank there. And the citation is really just the business name, the address, and the phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. And a website that I like to use to check that would be whitespark.ca. We can see that JCB has 50 citations. South Shore has 77. If you go here, you can also view their sources and copycat them. If we were to do your citations for you, we would just go ahead and do probably like 350, so we could beat out your competition by a landslide. The next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And backlinks are how you rank in the organic section. And this is ideally where you want to be because this is where all the traffic, or majority of the traffic, happens. And just to explain a backlink, it sort of works like this. So site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. But there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you had a roofing site in California linking back to you, that would be a lot more effective than Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut is not relevant to your niche. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. When I plug your URL into this tool, we see that you have 54 referring domains, giving you 196 backlinks. We see that South Shore has 67 referring domains with over 1,800 backlinks. And we see that JCB has 107 referring domains with 488 backlinks. And the higher these two numbers are, the better. So these represent the power and trust, and that plays a huge part in your ranking factors. So we see that yours are a little bit low. We'll definitely want to get those up into the double digits. So we want to get more powerful, trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website. These are all things that we could fix for you. It's what we do. It's why we're reaching out. If you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out. My name is Stephanie. My email is info@peerlessstrategies.com, and my phone number is 912-661-3473. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good one.